Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AKAAWOL, and I am here to update you guys on this project, this pillow number 4. I was supposed to be back with a tutorial, but that kind of got shut down when this project took as long as it did. As you can see, I went through and I put in all the underlying strings, everything that goes into this, so that way if you guys wanted to create something this complex, it's going to be there for you. The pattern is available over on my website, akaawol.com. Basically it uses 12 colors, so if you don't have access to the kind of strings that I'm using, you just need 12 colors. Up at the top is the rundown of what the 12 colors are, and it repeats itself so that we can kind of see what you need as you're going along. And then below that are the number of the colors, so like 5, right? That's this green here goes on, then 11 goes on, then 7, then 10, and basically these lark head onto a strand. And for me, for the project that I'm doing, I have to be able to do this which is 96 strings. I have to do this 6 times in order to get the width that I need for this pillow. How many times you do it, that's entirely up to you, but for me, this segment that I've created for you, this will repeat 6 times, so it's going to be pretty intense. I'm not sure when I will get around to actually starting this thing. My plan was to try to maybe do some of it in between the tutorials and stuff, but this part of actually making this happen took a lot more time than I expected, so it's cutting into my tutorial time, and I apologize for that. I will be back with more tutorials, more my takes on patterns, as well as pattern mashups and things like that. So yeah, thanks for being patient with me. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the series of making this pillow as well. So yeah, again, thanks a lot for just being patient with me. Thank you to my Patreon supporters who make all of this stuff possible. I wouldn't be doing some of these big things without you guys, so thank you very much for that. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see what comes of all of this stuff. And yeah, don't get your strings in a bunch.